So we have 2 points here, point A at 3, 4, and point B at 6, 10, and we want to write an equation for a line passing through these 2 points. We can remember from y-intercept form that an equation of a line can be written as y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Let's start by finding the m aspect of this equation. We can remember that m equals rise, which is a change in y, over run, a change in x. We can write that as y2 minus y1, the difference in y, over x2 minus x1, the difference in x. And now we can go ahead and replace these values with values from our 2 points. y2 we can choose to be 10 from point B, and y1 will be 4 from point A. x2 will be 6 from point B, and x1 will be 3 from point A. Let's subtract 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 6 minus 3 equals 3, which simplifies to 2. Therefore, our slope equals 2. Now that we have our slope and we have 2 points, we can plug in these values into point slope, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's choose point A as our y1 and x1 values. That's going to be y minus 4 equals our slope, which is 2, times x minus 3. Let's open up this bracket and distribute the terms inside. And finally, isolate for y. Therefore, the equation of the line passing through both these points in y-intercept form is y equals 2x minus 2.